In this video, we will be creating the sheet metal box. Taking a look at our original drawing, we can see that each of the corners of each of our sheet metal pieces have been cut out. Looking at our actual sheet metal pieces, we have identified the cutout portions with a solid dark line. This is our object line. It indicates the outside lines of our object itself. Using aviation snips, I can very carefully cut out each of the corners, following the lines that I have previously drawn. Now that I have the corners cut out of both pieces, I'm ready to use the box and pan brake, following my sequential order of operation for each piece, and fold this box up. The objective is to, number one, follow our sequential order of operation based off of the original drawing, as well as what we transferred onto our sheet metal. Each piece is going to be folded up at a 90-degree angle. It is important to be as precise as possible when we perform our number 2 identified fold. We want to make sure to be very careful we don't collide with the corners of our number 1 fold. Everything's looking pretty good so far. We're going to move on to our second piece. And again, when we do this additional fold, we want to be very careful we don't collide with our first operational fold. If done correctly, the top should fit easily onto the bottom, yet when you hold it just by the top and shake it, it doesn't come apart, but it can easily come off. The last step is to use a metal file and file every sharp edge. Our simple box is now complete.